Hi guys, I'm playing with my train and I will play with my car. Look at the train and the car. They work together, right? Look at them. There's the car and the train. I need more toys, huh? I will right back. This is my Thomas Big train and this is the block. You can build like that. Oh, see? It works. And this train have a red eye because it's ghost train. Because his name is Thomas train. That's why he's scary. And I will pick more. And I got my toy again. And this is my... This train is... Dog have train engineers, right? You can see it. This car is so beautiful. And dog have sirens because it's a police. But it's dog have sirens. So I made a clay for a siren because it's so real fast. Is how you see how you're done. And this train have bumpers. Look, we have tenders, right? Look, it's bumper. This is the train of the base of the train. This phone is slip and falls, right? And I will put it back like that. Yep. And this is reminds me how this does. Was that an engine? And look, the train don't have engines. They're wheels on the back. You can see how that reminds me how this does. Was that an engine? And look, the train don't have engines. They're wheels on the back. You can see how the train is on the funnel. But this is a funnel, right? Just click it and you can... What? What's that? Look at the police and don't have drivers on it. Yes. Yes, there is. But I'm confused. And the engines of the train is going on the wheels. They have wheels. Oh, okay, I'm to go. Bye. See you next time. Hit the bell button. Bye. Guys, I was playing with my toys, with my train and my truck. This is the train. Look it. It's very nice. But I will keep going and I will look for more toys. I will with my baba. This is really work. Oh, look. Oh. Look, I got 2 cars. These guys look very good. And he opens. Here. See? It opens. The engine is there. Look at that. It's so cute. And the police car. It's so wonderful. Look, I got my police car. is so fast. I can't even get on it. And now I will pick more. My stories. Hey, look at this story. It's wonderful. I will to read it. And this is a ball. This is the ball and the balloon and the clock.